Hi everyone, this is Brenda and welcome to the Farmhouse classroom. And as you come in, we have our classroom, which we have 5 tables and 4 chairs. Over here we have our full Duncan line. We have brushes, sealer, embellishments, a few glazes. We have the Mako line. We have sponges and greenware cleaning stuff, pin lights, chalks, masks if you come without a mask. Then a little further down we have what we have been able to get of Doc Holiday, which is a bit of a challenge. And then we also have our little supplies for finishing your pieces off, anything from glitter to ribbon to lights and extra pin lights and tapes. I usually am sitting here working on things. I'm working on making our gnomes into some Valentines. We have a 4th of July fella, a Easter guy, and even a little shamrock one, and that's from the set of 3 gnomes. So we have plenty of room, and it's dark out now, but we have windows all the way around. We have our Airbrush Station over here in the corner that I hooked up today. I need to get one more connector. We have a cart with our easy strokes and fun strokes and our paints that can be used for that. And we have a couple of ladies that come every time we're open, so they kind of permanently got this table here. We have a greenware cleaning cart. We have an acrylic paints cart, so you can use our brushes and paints for a sitting fee. And we have the color washes already pre-mixed up, so you don't have to buy your own paints if you want to go that way, or you can buy your own paints. And then we can go down the hallway. We have our beautiful coat hanging station right here. And then we come into what was the dining room, and we have a little gift shop, which we forgot to plug the tree in. Just a few handmade things from some of our local artists. And we got some more behind you. And our beautiful checkout stand that was gifted to us from our friend Mary and Tom. So we have a few more things. We have kids that we can add the colors of paints to, whatever colors you want, with the brush and the little palette and then the washing pot. And then we can come into our bisque and greenware room. And we also have additional seating options in here if you'd like to be away from everyone, or if you want to book a family day. We have room for 8. We could probably add a couple more if we needed to. So we have a pretty good selection of bisque and greenware that's growing. We have some Halloween down here. We have our gnomes over here. Reindeer, Christmas. As we come around the corner, we got started with our Easter and spring things. We have scrubbies, angels, and I'll be working on pouring our native molds to fill this shelf up. We have tons of native molds to work on. We do have a little bitty clearance section that we worked on today. And as you come around the corner, we got lots of snowmen, tons of snowmen, some gnomes, cow cookie jar, wolves. We have our mushrooms that we mosaic those, or you can glaze them. Our inserts and our stepping stone. We have all our trucks and gnomes and all the truck inserts here. And then on the end, we kind of have animals, from yetis to herons and pelicans to frogs and sloths, snowmen, snails. We're also going to even be having a mosaic class with our snail, so working on getting some spring classes lined up. So hope you guys enjoyed our quick little tour, and we'll be growing as we go. And we hope you stop in and check us out. Thank you.